Hey, tubers. You see that guy right there? That's Naive Steven. Let me tell you, you want extra presents for Christmas? You want some good things happening through the holidays? You need to sub to him. Santa says sub to Naive Steve, and you get more presents. That's him, right there, Naive Steve. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas.